Okay guys, welcome to another video of Miniature Showroom. In this video we are going to unbox one of the most fastest car in the world. So let's see. So yes guys, it is none other than Bugatti Chiron, one of the most fastest car in the world and one of the most expensive. So guys, you can see it is a very good realistic model of 1/32 scale. So it has blinking lights, as you can see it. It's a very good realistic model. I suggest you, if you want to buy, I will give the link in the description. So guys, before starting our today's video, I have to tell that we have completed 100 subscriber of count. So very thank you for completing us 100 subscribers. So let's start today's video. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed this video, so click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So guys, we have completed 100 subscriber. So very thank you to subscribing our channel. So guys, meet you in the next video and thanks for watching.